What's up, everybody? Carl from Technical Goodies here, and today we are looking at the SoundPeats GoFree 2 headphones. Now, we've looked at multiple SoundPeats earbuds on this channel, and I appreciate SoundPeats for sending this over because I really like the quality of their earbuds or their headphones, and I really like all the devices that they make. So I'm very proud to be able to try these out and have a wide array of earbuds and headphones that you can choose from. So let's go ahead and open these up and take a look, and we'll try them out and see how they work. I finally get a chance to use my little box opener from Temu here. So taking a look at the back of the box here, we have Bluetooth version 5.3, frequency range of 20 hertz to 40 kilohertz. Maximum working distance of 10 meters. Playtime was about 9 hours, but you get up to 35 hours with the charging case. Again, most of the earbuds that you'll get from SoundPeats will have a charging case, which I love. 16.2 millimeter dynamic drivers, dual mic for noise cancellation, so that's always good, the ability for it to have adaptive noise cancellation. And the unique thing about these is that they're considered open or free earbuds, okay? So they don't go inside your ear. A lot of people don't like any earbuds that actually have to go in your ear or set inside your ear. So these will work great for them. And then also, when you want to have a little bit more control of what you're hearing in your surroundings, like I've always said, if you go jogging or you're out and about or something like that, I don't like to close out the world. I want to make sure that when I'm using something like this, I can kind of hear my surroundings. It's a security thing for me, where I don't like to be completely closed off or surprised by anything. These will allow you to have an awareness of the environment surrounding you while still providing really good sound quality. So let's take a look at what's in the box. So very simple, just the headphones themselves. And then one thing to always remember is to look underneath for the charging cables themselves. In this case, we do have USB-C to USB-A, which is good, so it'll be a fast charging device. And then that's it for what's in the box itself. So the headphones, okay? Again, these are a little different than earbuds. Like I said, they are sort of the open style earbuds. So let's go ahead and take a look. Your case will be a little bit bigger. So the way they have this set up is that it does have a over-the-ear holder. So like I said, they don't go in your ear and hang on your ear or stick in your ear for that support. So they're going to have the over-ear holder to make sure that they fit secure. Whether or not they're comfortable, I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and give them a try. First thing I'm going to do is pair them with my phone. Okay, so we have the GoFree, the SoundPeats GoFree 2. I will go ahead and pair them. And that just automatically paired outside the box. And one thing I want to point out is make sure that if you get these, you go ahead and take these little plastic protectors off. That actually makes it so that when they're in transit or in travel, that they don't deplete the battery completely. And if you don't take that off, they will not continue to charge. So make sure on each one of these, you go ahead and take this little blue thing off. That's something that a lot of people might forget. And it's very important not to forget that, or you won't be able to charge them again. Okay, so we do have the Soundpeats app as always. So I'll go ahead and make sure that that recognizes, and it does right off the bat, the GoFree 2s, and tells me that the left one's 78%, and the right one here will pair in a second. So let's go ahead and give these a fit try. So this goes over the back of your ear, fairly simple. Oh, that's actually really nice. Now I'm not sure if I have it positioned right here. I'm going to look in my camera here and see if I can see. Yeah, looks like it's positioned correctly. So let's go ahead and give it a try. It's very, very light. They're very, very light. They don't have any sort of pinching or squishing on my ear. In fact, I was concerned I didn't have them positioned right because it feels so like I don't have anything on. So let's go ahead and play some music here. Okay, so I'm playing a little, I guess, Bruno Mars here. I think that I usually play that because it has a good mix of sort of bass, treble sound. It all sounds really good. These are sounding great so far. The one thing, let's see if I have to adjust this at all. One thing you're going to notice is that you're not going to get the full in-ear experience, which usually, like I said, closes off everything outside in the world and gives you direct input into your ear. But for the open air experience, as far as wearing headphones, these sound really good. Okay, so let's take a look here at the Soundpeats app. One thing I want to point out is that you do have in the app itself, you have the volume control, so you can have the adaptive EQ. But what I like to do is use a custom equalizer, right? So you have different presets. So if I go in here, I can choose bass boost, I can do bass reduction, and use the different presets that they've already put into the app, but I can also use the custom equalizer. So if I go into the custom equalizer, that allows me to come in here and kind of set exactly how I like to listen to my music, right? So if you like to have a little bit more of the bass on the outside or a little bit more of the mids pushed up, you can do that. So I think that's kind of what the power is for all the Soundpeats earbuds, is that they have this nice little app. They also have game mode, which lowers the latency between whatever device you're connected to sort of assist you when you're playing games. So yeah, across the board, these are comfortable. Let me go ahead and put this one on at the same time. Just toss it on my ear. Oh yeah, definitely very comfortable. You can see from the left and the right side how they fit directly on my ears. It does have a touch button on the side in order to be able to hit play. So I just paused and played my music. And then when you're done, take them off, toss them right back into the easy to use charging case, and you're good to go. So again, I think another winner from Soundpeats. Thanks again to them for sending these over to me, the Soundpeats GoFree 2s. So definitely check them out on the link below if you're interested. And if this helped you, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I'd love to see you back. I'm always here at my tech desk trying out different gadgets and goodies. I really appreciate all the support. And until next time, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.